Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods for another video. Well, at this point you guys should know that the LCI has went out, and you know, look, got a little clean now, man. I told y'all once everything got done, I'm gonna neaten everything back up. But you know, probably won't be no more projects up in here though. You know, I can't do it outside neither because you know my truck has a plug in it, but it's not powerful enough to push these electric tools. So I might have to just go ahead and go all battery tools though. We'll see. But let's check this out. This is supposed to be the remedy. No, let me put y'all down for a second. Hold on. All right, we back in. Let's see what we got here. It's supposed to be the remedy to help fix my problem. So we're gonna see. Yeah. Man, shout out to my boy Boombox. Yeah. Got some little splitters right here. I got more of them too though, so this right here. Whoops. Yep. That's a line out converter. It actually has the bass knob on it. You know. I hate everything got tape on it. See, now this is not just for you iPhone users. Like, you know, when you're doing a video and stuff and it don't let you pause, you know what I'm saying? You gotta stop the whole video. So next time iPhone, we need a pause button, man. We need a pause button. We opening it up right now. The box is brand new. You know what I'm saying? People look out for you, man. Right here. Okay. I mean, I already got a bass knob, and I don't even use it. Getting another one, and probably don't even use that one. I might though, because you know what? I think this is like the gain to it, so I might have to use that. See the wires on here. Looks like it's a very simple process. All right. Hands all scratched up, but it's like a simple process. You got the speaker wires. You got 4 speaker wires. Let's see, 4 speaker wires, and I guess these are your power connections right here. You know, so we got it. We got it. We got it. We get it. And I think, okay, there go your in and out right there. Well, your in, because you're just gonna go in and then it's gonna go to the amp. All right. Some goodies to, you know, probably fix my problems real quick. Let's see what else going on up here. I gotta be like one hand Willie over here. You know what I'm saying? Good packaging by Mike. All right. Okay. It's an Audiotek. All right. You got everything. It's cold too. It's like real cold. It must have been outside for a while. Oh yeah, you got your power remote and ground right there. Yep. You got the sub. It's basically what I got here is like another LCI. You know, we'll see how things work out. It has an indicator light right there. Man, Audiotek. It has a 5-band, like, okay, we'll be able to control everything right here too. So what I might do, I might still use this, because I think this would be important to gaining my gain it on the inverter. So yeah, it's just time to get to work. This might not be that much, you know what I'm saying? This is basically a plug and play. You know what I'm saying? I can use the the power and ground remote from the from the LC7. So man, all right then. I hope you all like the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and wants to learn car audio and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.